Actually, it is Ruto. Because Ruto has severally congratulated the police for doing a very good job in killing Ken.
He condemned chieftain.
So, angeyo, wacho ruoth, okamana. Adwa ng'isou ni ruoth en nyaguo Ruto. En nyaguo Ruto emomiyo nyaka water problem kama problem nitie. Nikech problem wa mantie duto ni when Ruto took over the reins of government in this country, he took the Bible and swore to protect the Constitution of Kenya. And once he put it down, Ruto is taking us back 40, 50 years back. And Ruto, we want to tell you that the Kenyans lost their lives fighting for the new constitution. Kenyans fought and very, very painfully promulgated a new constitution in 2010. When you, Mr. President, you were against it. You were against it and you said no to the new constitution. But when you took power, you said you are going to protect it. And now you have shown by your actions that you are not ready to protect the new constitution. That Ruto, you are reversing all the gains Kenyans have made over the years. And we want to tell you, Ruto, that we are not going to allow you, because by killing people, Ruto wants to cow you down. He wants you to be cowards. Ruto wants you to lose hope. Ruto wants you to be submissive. Ruto wants you to agree that he is the president so he can do whatever he likes. But we are warning you, Ruto, that these Kenyans have fought for independence. They fought for the new constitution. They fought tirelessly to have democracy in this country. And you are not going to be allowed to reintroduce one-party rule. You are not going to be allowed to reintroduce dictatorship in this country. We shall never will Kenyans again accept a dictatorship on our land. So Ruto, be warned that Kenyans will not accept dictatorship again. Bondo, okwabi yene. Bondo, okwabi